Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Damp weather in Pergola Nurseries today was perfect for feeding plants. And we're out feeding perennials and hydrangeas, roses and flowering shrubs. And we feed them every 4 to 6 weeks with this fertilizer here. It's called Flower Max. Flower Max encourages plants to produce lots and lots of flowers and brings out the intensity of the flower colour. We have at the back here, and he's a bit sluggish. We're going to get him moving now very well with Flower Max. It's Delphinium called Pagan Purple. And Delphiniums are wonderful to give that bit of height at the back of beds and borders. Now, I suppose just over a year ago, we planted this clump of Delphinium Pagan Purple at this point here. Can be planted from now if you want as well. They're fantastic. Back of beds and borders, just the amount of colour they produce. It gives you months of colour every year. I'll put up a video afterwards of this one in full flower last year. It really gives a great splash of colour and height. It can be planted from now, decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, soil by compost and soil on top, on the same bank and around the same way as we plant most of our plants here in Pergola Nurseries. So we're going to feed them now and with our Flower Max to get it moving. And when you see the results from last year, you see what it does. The flowers, it's going to grow higher than me, and the clump with decent 2 meters across. Have a look at the next video, well worth looking. But it's important to keep them fed to get the most from your plants, otherwise you won't have those fantastic flowers and fantastic colour. So feeding from now, hydrangeas, roses, perennial flowers and flowering shrubs. Very important, every 4 to 6 weeks, right through the end of September. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.